Webb has made a bone-chilling discovery at the edge of time. The infrared telescope has found signs of supermassive stars that could be up to 100,000 times more massive than the Sun. To put that into perspective, the most massive star we have ever found in the universe is 250 times the Sun's mass. The colossal stars discovered by Webb belong to the first generation of stars that existed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. These stars lived very short lives, consuming their nuclear fuel in just a few million years. When they died, they exploded in supernovae, scattering their heavy elements throughout the universe. These heavy elements eventually formed the planets, stars, and galaxies that we see today. The discovery of supermassive stars at the edge of time is a major breakthrough in our understanding of the early universe. To watch the full episode on this exciting discovery, check out this linked video.